everyone, this is my video on English language. I just bought Trussardi Blue Wave toilette water. Bottle is glass, some kind of blue-black color. I bought it in Belgrade in Jasmin Perfume stores for 4,400 dinars. It's about 40 euros. 100 milliliters. Let's try this on my hand. I just spray it on my hand, and the main note is some kind of citrus note, you know. But on internet I find a lot of other how to say notes about something like leather and other kind of perfume notes which we can find on many other perfumes like Boss or some Versace or some others. Never mind. Price is very good. It's 100 milliliters. Very good price. It's on sale, of course, and perfume is very good for this kind of temperatures about 10-15 degrees, February, March, some kind of little bit winter, a little bit warmer weather, not real winter, not real summer. I think that I just hit the target with this perfume, and it's totally cool price, you know. I believe that it's totally cool perfume. Citrus, I like note of citrus because it have some kind metaphysical link with the solar plexus, you know, chakra, things like that. So it's about now I'm talking about money and something like that, but you know what, it smells very good for that price. It's totally cool, totally professional, totally fancy, and I recommend this perfume to everyone, you know, everyone, except who don't like citrus in a perfume. Okay, thanks for watching, and see you. Goodbye.